how to see Gmail contacts. So if you want to see all your Gmail contacts, whether you're using Android or iPhone, access it online where it is saved to see whether some contacts are missing or you still have your up-to-date contact on your Gmail account. Then this video is going to walk you through how to see all Gmail contacts in Gmail. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to see Gmail contacts, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the browser. So whether you're using Android or iPhone, just open the browser. On the browser, let's say you want to choose to open a new tab. Then go to contact.google.com. Contact.google.com. Now you'll be prompted to sign into your Gmail account. Go ahead, sign into your Gmail account. Then here you should see a list of contacts you have on your Gmail. Now, if you have multiple Gmail accounts, then you want to switch which of the Gmail account whose contact you want to verify. Then once you switch to the contact, then you'll be taken to contact.gmail. You'll be taken to contact.google.com. As you can see here, I have about 1006 contacts on this particular Gmail account. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see all the contacts. Then if you switch the contact again to another Gmail you have on your phone, then here you're gonna see I have just 3 contacts on this particular Gmail account. And if you go again, change the contact, then this one you can see I have just 13 contacts on this Gmail account. That is basically how to see Gmail contacts online. You see that? So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.